दक्षिण गोंय हो एक स्मोकिंग फ्री डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हणून डिक्लेअर केला आणि हाचेय फुडें तो तसो मेंटेन करपाक यत्न करतले म्हणून जिल्लोधिकारी स्वप्नील नायक उलयला। बुधवारा मडगांवां नो टोबॅको डेचे निमतान जागृताय रॅली जाली। ह्या रॅलींत वेगवेगळ्यो समाजीक संस्था, भुरगीं आनी बाकीचे लोक वांटेकार जाल्ले।
As you may be all aware that the South Goa district was one of the first districts to be declared as smoke-free, and we have this as a great responsibility to maintain it that way, and we are making all efforts to see that we are able to maintain South Goa as a smoke-free district. We have been doing a lot of awareness activities. Besides that, we have also been doing a lot of activities in trying to attach properties and also take action for those who are not complying with the provision of the Kotpa Act. And I think you must have read last few months we have been very active in seizing cigarette packets without the proper warnings and all which is required as per Kotpa Act.
Today is World No Tobacco Day, 31st of May. This is a day designated by the World Health Organization. Every year we commemorate this day, and actually the whole month is dedicated to bring about awareness about the impact of tobacco on people, on our environment. This year the theme, the WHO has put the theme as tobacco a threat to development. Tobacco has an impact in various ways, from health to environment to economy, and one of the greatest impact of course is on health.
And we are having a rally with the students of the Nehru Yuva Kendra, the PHC, ITI students, and Rosary Higher Secondary. So we are going out in a rally today just to create awareness on the ill effects of tobacco. And Goacan has given its full support to this event.
गोवा मुंबई कोंकण कन्या एक्सप्रेसींत पॅसेंजरांचे लूटमारीचे केशी उपरांत आता रेल्वे पुलिसांनी रत्नागिरी वाठारांत खंय गस्त वाडयल्या। जे आयसोलेटेड भागांत पॅसेंजरांचेर हल्ले जातात त्या सुवातींनी असल्यो गजाली आळाबंद हाडपाचेर पुलिसांनी सध्या लक्ष दिलां म्हणून रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभून प्रुडंटाक सांगलें। थळाव्या पुलिसांक घेवन रेल्वे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स खंय पेट्रोलिंग आनी रेल्वेचे सरप्रायज चेकिंग करता।
रत्नागिरीचे खेड लागीं विनेरे हे ल्हान क्रॉसिंग स्टेशनार राविल्ले कडेन गोवा मुंबय कोंकण कन्या एक्सप्रेसीचे पॅसेंजराक 4 दिसां फाटीं चोरांनी लुटिल्ले। हे असले प्रकार आयसोलेटेड भागांनी जातात। रेल्वे पुलीस सद्याक असल्या टोळ्यांक धरपाचे यत्न करता म्हूण रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू उलयलो।
These are the law and order issue. You cannot go isolated instances. We are taking action against each one of them. If there is any problem, we will definitely take note. The police are already working on it. These are isolated instances.
Our RPF is absolutely on the job. There are a number of cases where the culprits have also been caught, and we are doing regular patrolling and surprise checks on the trains. And we are always alert. Our RPF is always alert to prevent any such incidences.
So how many culprits have been till now?
There have been 10 or 15 cases in the last 3 months where the culprits have been caught. There's one which was caught in first AC very recently, and they have been and the police is also with us, and we are working to prevent this problem on Konkan Railway.
Any additional measures we have taken?
No, we are doing regular patrolling and surprise patrolling, not on the same train, and we have shifted some of the constables on stations which are prone to this problem, especially at crossings. So we are taking a lot of action to see it is prevented.
नवे दूधसागर रेल्वे स्टेशन उबारपाचे काम खंय रेल्वेच्या शेड्युलार आसा।
Wants to know about developing Dudhsagar station, and doubling of Konkan already has started. We will move, and Dudhsagar station of course will definitely do it because it's one of the very important tourist destinations. We'll definitely do it.
रत्नागिरीचे खेड लागीं विनेरे हे ल्हान रेल्वे स्टेशनार राविल्ले कडेन चोरांनी लूटमार केल्ले घडणुकीचो प्रुडंटान रिपोर्ट केल्लो। हे वेळार प्रुडंटान संबंधीत रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यांच्या कानार ही गजाल घाल्ली। आता खुद्द हे प्रकारांचेर आळबंद हाडपाक रेल्वे मंत्री सुरेश प्रभून संबंधीत अधिकाऱ्यांक आदेश दिला। आता तरी हे लुटमारीचे प्रकार बंद जातात काय ना ते फुडलो काळूच सांगतलो। प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी।
गिव एक ब्रेक।